try speaking in Tagalog, sweet. Oh my god, Tagalog. I don't know how to speak.
Tagalog pala ka.
I don't know if I could speak Tagalog. Let's try. So, awkward kay niya. So, lamag mo siya. So, we're on our way. I have an appointment. Ultrasound appointment. But I'm not going to tell you what it is all about. I will do a video on a separate, a dedicated video on that. Diba dapat magtagalog man? Saan magtagalog?
Ang ibig mong sabaw sa likod?
Humba. So yeah, papunta na kami ng so we're on our way to the hospital to have a what's that called? Ultrasound on me. Yeah. So maybe I will do some video footage there. I don't know. I'll ask him to video me while having my ultrasound. Yeah, so see you later, guys. I'm so happy to be back here on YouTube because it's been a while since, I don't know if how long I was. Months? No, I think it's 5 to 6 months. I've been gone 5-6 months. I don't know. I'll check my YouTube account kung how long na ba ako wala sa YouTube. Wow, Tagalog na to! Yes!
Tagalog pala ka. Yes.
Yeah, so I'm gonna try speaking Tagalog, English, Bisaya, so that, you know, I don't know, maybe it's easier, they say. I don't know, but yeah, let's try, you know, mura na ko si Pacquiao, you know. So yeah, I'm so excited to be on YouTube again, guys, and I miss you all so much, so much. So I'll see you later. Bye. Guys, it's still 2 in the afternoon, but it's so traffic already here at B. Rodriguez. We're on our way to the Venti Osmania. So traffic. So we are already here at the hospital. Lalainas ko naman. Games pa rin yung ginagawa niya. I look so ugly. What are you doing? Me and I.
So cold.
So cold. I like it here. So I'm just waiting for my name to be called, guys. It's still pretty early. It's still 2:30, and I think the doctor will come like around 3 something. Yeah, so they will just call my name if it's my turn already. Hey guys, so nandito na kami sa bahay, and I did not have the chance to film doon sa what's that clinic kasi it's not allowed to film there. I asked their permission, but they said that di daw pwede. So yeah, di daw pwede. So it's dinner time. Let me show you our dinner. So eto yung dinner namin, guys. Bumili lang kami ng ngoyong doon sa Chinese ngoyong, yung sa may Hongkera Street. If you are from Cebu, you are familiar with that ngoyong house, and I'm drinking coffee too. So this is their very delicious sauce from Chinese ngoyong house. Yeah, if you don't know ngoyong, you should try eating this one, especially from ngoyong house. They've been there since I was still in high school. Until now, they're still there, and their ngoyong taste the same. So itadakimasu. Love me, baba. Oh, my baby. Hi, baby. Ba. Love you, ba. Hey guys, good morning. Kain tayo, guys. Breakfast. Pero 12 noon na. So we are trying this one. This is from SM Bonus. Their crunchy peanut butter. So I'm gonna eat, and This is my breakfast pa. Let's eat. So, maglalagay muna ako ng eyelashes, guys. It's been a while since I use false eyelashes. And naninibago ako. But this one is a very, very comfortable one. So, I don't need to worry if this will be uncomfortable. Yeah, this is very, very comfortable. So, yeah, maglalagay lang tayo ng lashes. Di pala to siya bago, guys. Ginamit ko na siya once. And this one is from the 100 yen store doon sa Japan. Not Daiso. The other 100 yen store. So, yeah. So, yung glue ko pala is yung, eto, DUP. Excuse the dirtiness here. So, yeah. This is my favorite glue from DUP because kahit pawisan ka ng ano ba? Baril? Balde? Balde. Basta, hindi siya natatanggal talaga. I swear. And this is my favorite clear eyelash glue because my favorite dark or black na eyelash glue is from Koji, which the small one na nasa tube. That's my favorite one. I always use that on my clients because even they cry, still their lashes is still intact. How I wish you can see me. So it's much trickier for me to apply lashes on my left eye because my right eye is hindi malinaw yung mata ko sa right eye. So it's trickier because pag ganito, it's going to be my right eye that is working, diba? So medyo mahirap this part here, but kaya natin to, guys, no? Kaya natin to. Okay, I think I got it already. But this one looks weird here. The inner corner. So yeah, our lashes are on and I know this one looks weird because I don't have hairs here and I did not tightline my waterline, but for now I don't want to tightline my waterline, guys, kasi masyadong irritated pa yung eyes ko as of the moment. So, for now, maybe ganito. It doesn't look weird naman, diba? Diba? Oh, look at my, what's that? Hair washer, the back. Yeah. There's a story behind it. I am transferring my salon here at home because it's easier for me, yeah. Maybe we'll talk about it more. Yeah, I don't know. So yeah, my lash is on. And so let's talk about why I was away from YouTube for like 5 months, I guess. I think I haven't mentioned the reason why I was gone. So almost 1. So yeah, I started my vlog yesterday. So I decided, to start my vlog yesterday. And I decided that, like I said, that I will be going to do a vlog for my comeback video. So yun. And for this coming back, I will try to be speaking in English, Tagalog, Bisaya, or Nihongo sometimes because I'm so used to speaking. There are some words that I hindi ko ma-remember kung anong Bisaya noon, kung anong Tagalog or English noon. Sometimes Nihongo lang yung naaalala ko. So, yeah. Maybe this vlog is going to be like that. So, yun nga. Bumalik tayo sa reason kung bakit nawala ako for 5 months sa YouTube. It's because yun, I think I mentioned sa mga last videos ko na yung vlogs ko yata na I cannot film beauty videos kasi nasira yung Canon na camera ko and I need to have it fixed, and it took them a while to fix my camera, like more than a month. Then after nun I was so dang unlucky. After nun, nasira naman yung laptop ko, guys. 'Di ba? That is so lucky of me. So, nasira yung laptop ko, and then I asked my sister if I could borrow her laptop. And then I borrowed her laptop, and then, so, while my camera is being fixed doon sa Canon, I decided na maybe I'll just do vlogging videos pansamantala. And then, oh my gosh, etong iPhone 6 ko na naman yung nasira, yung battery niya. So, there's nothing I can do. I really wanted to post consistently videos on YouTube, but wala talaga. There's nothing I can do. So, at that time din na yun, that was, I guess, March. I was busy doing a lot of makeup because March is, like, prom season yata. So, yung lola nyo is so super busy doing makeups. And I was also doing a lot of hairs. As you all know, guys, I am a professional makeup artist. I am also a hairdresser. So, yeah. Lahat. It was such a busy month for me. Kaya, I decided na, sige, I'm not going to do vlogging for as of the moment kasi nga I was so busy doing makeup. I'm always away super early, and then I'm also doing hairs like rebonding, hair cutting, anything. So, yeah. And now, medyo hindi naman na busy yung schedule natin. So, maybe we will have time. I will have time to do some vlogging, a little vlogging. But, I guess I will be doing a weekly vlog, I guess. Not a daily vlog because daily vlogging is too much for me. Yeah, right now. And, yeah. Yun lang yung update sa buhay ko as of the moment. So, I think we will be leaving. Aalis na naman kami, guys. By 2 o'clock, aalis kami na naman. Ano ba yun? Na naman. So, maybe I'll see you later, okay?
Nag-lunch ko ato, pero wala ko di ka ulit.
Nice story si Sashi. Si Ate. Sa te?
Wala. Ayaw mo, ma.
Lumindol daw. But, di ba wala mang kakabalo? There was an earthquake today. Like, I think that was around 4 when he was at the restroom. And I thought na, shaking lang yung floor sa hospital. But when we went outside, there were a lot of people saying that, lumindol, something like that. So, we're done with my results, and here is my result. I'm pregnant! I already got my ultrasound. Yes, but I don't know if I'm gonna tell you about this. Maybe in a, diba? What do you think? Hiyaki kana. Wow, bubi. So we are here nasa school to fetch Ati, and we're waiting for Baba. Oh, there's Baba. Dili there. It's not Baba. But her bag's already here. We're waiting for her. Baka gumagala-gala na naman si Baba. It's already 5. So, luluto muna ako ng pansit canton, guys. So, ito yung pansit canton na paborito namin from Payless. Ito kay Baba kasi ayaw niya ng spicy. Tapos si Ate Sashi likes this one. This is the extra hot. And mine would be the chili mansi. So, I think ito na lang yung kulang sa akin. But I did theirs first. So, yeah. Let's get going. Yan. I'm just gonna mix this one. This is for Ate. So, just let her. Ate, delivery. Belo. What will you say? Are you a minion? Hello. Hello. Oh my God. Kinain ni Papa. I'll just give this to the dogs. The dogs were so excited. Tam! Ben! Ito, Mate. Ah, excited. Ay, Tam! Ben! Itadakimasu. Mine. Chili mansi. Wishy. So I've changed my clothes already because it's so hot. In it. Hi Dai, this is Kira. Say hi Dai. Oh, look at Kira. You look like Emma Watson, Dai, no? Babe, what is your name?
Kira.
Kompleto ha, my name. Kompleto ha. Kira is shy. Baba is busy. Ba, may assignment ka ba?
No.
Every day, no assignment. Really? Pantay ka lang na ako, ha? So, yeah, I think I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Bye! Hey guys, good morning. So, today, excuse my face because I haven't taken a shower yet. So crazy. So, yeah. Ano ba? So, ngayon, wala kaming kuryente tsaka tubig. It's because, merong ano ba? Dahil sa lindol yesterday, yes, there was an earthquake yesterday, like around, I don't know, it was 4 or before 4 p.m. I haven't felt the earthquake. Ang ingay ng dogs. So I haven't, like I've said, I haven't felt the earthquake that much because we were still at the hospital. And basta, I don't know, I was confused at that time because Rookie went to the CR and I thought, I was just waiting for him outside and I thought, you know, yung floor, sabi ko sa sarili ko, bakit umuuga yung floor? Yung parang ganun, tapos, this is a very big building and it would be very, hindi mo talaga mafe-feel na if somebody steps on the floor, it will not move, obviously, because it's a building, it's big. So, yun yung na-feel ko, bakit yung parang umuuga yung, yun na pala, there was an earthquake. So, when we went outside the hospital, there were a lot of people outside, and we were wondering, what happened? So, then we've heard from the security guard that there was an earthquake. So, yeah, they say, sabi ng mama at papa ko na it was not that, hindi malakas, but medyo matagal daw. Yeah, sabi nila. And, oh my gosh, you guys. Every time there is an earthquake, it really creates panic to them. Naawa nga ako sa kanila kasi, if you remembered, the last time we had earthquake here sa Cebu, it was very, very traumatic and wala pa naman kami dito sa Cebu no. Nandun kami sa Japan and it was just the kids and my parents live here. So, yung trauma nila noon, they don't want to get inside our house because, yun nga, after the earthquake, there were a lot of aftershocks and it's medyo malakas din naman yung aftershock. So ngayon, may earthquake na naman. Medyo nagpapanik din sila. And they said, oh my God, what are we going to do? Let's go out the house. You know, yung mga ganun. Nakaka-stress talaga. So ngayon, wala kaming tubig tsaka kuryente. I don't know how am I going to take a shower because hindi pa ako nag-shower, guys. And I need to go or to leave like mga 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. to fetch the kids from school. Yun. And today is Friday and maybe I'm planning to go to PLDT to, you know, to fix some problems, but since it's Friday already, I think I'm going to settle that one on Monday na lang siguro, not now. Yeah. Ngayon nakambig me. So I'm ready to go. It's 3:30 na and we're going to fetch the kids and maybe we're going to SMC side. Oh. Hayako ne. Sanjupong dake sanjupong janai 15分大丈夫でしょ? 大丈夫? できるよ? できるね? 15分? 10分は? 10分? So this is my outfit. Oh my gosh, I'm wearing shorts because it's so hot. And our lights are back, but the water wala pa. But I took a shower because we have water outside. So yeah, this is my outfit. Chill lang today, guys. Haskashi na kore. Haskashi shorts wa haskashi. But yeah, see you later. I just wanted to do an update on my eyelashes, guys. I think I have my lashes back now, but I am contemplating whether I will be applying false eyelashes because I really wanted to use false eyelashes like yesterday. I hate this. I hurt this part here. Yeah, but since I think my lashes are okay with my mascara, I'm using, by the way, the Kiss Me. What is it? Hair and Make mascara. That one is my favorite mascara of all time. My favorite waterproof mascara because my favorite non-waterproof mascara is the Dolly Wink one. Yes, so hindi magkaparehas. I have favorite on non-waterproof and waterproof. And this one is so hard to remove. That's the only downside, but it really gives my lashes fullness. Yeah, unlike with the other mascaras, like they say the Maybelline one is a good one, but I really don't like that one because it doesn't hold my curl and it does not give me a full lash effect. But the Hair and Make is really amazing considering that I don't have lashes anymore. Yeah, maybe I'll just stick with this with the mascara, no? I'm gonna wear false eyelashes na lang because it's so hot. I'm sweating already. Yeah. Nami. So we're just waiting for Rookie because he went to Jollibee to buy chicken. I think much better. Hi girls. I'm gonna try my lechon, guys. This is the balat ng lechon. Nag-try po ka ba? Masarap siya. It's only 650 pesos per kilo. This is lechon belly from Ayer. Ready, sing! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Sige, blow the candle!
Hola, boy! Ay,
Birthday pa!
Happy birthday!
Nauna tayo.
Happy birthday ba?
Stop sa road, lechon.
Lechon ba?
Stop sa gayang nipon.
Aw. Hoy, kumusta mo?
Ginawa pa. Lami kang lisona.
Ikaw.
Check and joy.
Ikaw, te, what about you?
Uy, bawal kang tampo.
Si Sashi lang di kumakain. Hey, Steve, patayin guys. Coffee crumble. Hey guys, good morning. So today is finally Saturday. Yeah, it's finally Saturday, and I already taken a shower. I think it's almost 11 already, and let's just open the window because it's so hot. Oh, by the way, I am in our spare room. Nobody, yeah, there are a lot of, daming kalat, guys. Yeah, I'm planning to do my videos here, so I don't know yet. Yeah, but I'm planning to do my videos here, so I need to, kailangan ko na linisin yung kalat everywhere because the lighting here is so beautiful and nobody's using this. Just all random stuffs lang nandito. So yeah, yung bike, tsaka yung bike na naman. So yes, I will be doing this room. I'll be doing this room. I don't know. I'm gonna try clean this room and make this as my filming room because as you can see, lighting so good, right? I just took a shower and I'm so sweaty already. So yeah, it's finally Saturday. Tomorrow would be I need to wake up early tomorrow because I need to go to school for Sashi's PTA meeting. I hate it. I hate going there because it starts at 8 but you need to be there before 8 for the registration, and it ends like around 12 and you're just sitting there doing nothing. So but then again, wala akong magagawa because it's part of my responsibility as a parent. Yeah, so oh, by the way, wala na naman kaming tubig, but fortunately merong electricity but walang tubig. Today is the second day na walang tubig. But I think the water came back like around 10 p.m. Yeah, last night. Oh, can you see my sweat, guys? It's so hot. So, yeah. Ngayon pa naman, I have somebody I'll be doing haircut and hot oil on somebody. And yeah, I don't know what are we going to do, but maybe we'll just wash her hair outside. Ano ba? What's wrong? I don't know what's wrong. Why we don't have water. I don't know if it's just in my area or I know buong place here. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. So I'll just go downstairs, guys, because magbe-breakfast muna tayo, okay? Baba's still sleeping, so let's not disturb her. Yeah, magbe-breakfast muna tayo. And I'm gonna show you my setup today because I will be doing hot oil. Wait lang. So yan, naka-setup na yung washer ko. Ang gulo, di ba? So I transferred this from my salon there. From my salon. Kasi I wanted to do hairs also here sa bahay. And for the meantime, wala pa akong lugar para sa kanya. I'm planning to put it there outside, but for the meantime, dito muna. And yeah, that is my setup. And paano ba yan? Walang tubig. See? Nothing's coming out. Dosyo. So this is Elkie's hair before.
Ha?
It's already very long.
Mahuling lahat mo dong.
Yes.
Okay, mag-ego doon. Bahala.
So now I'm steaming her hair, and I set my steamer to 30 minutes, and it's on high at first, and then I'm going to change it to low. Laki, okay ra? Okay ra, ki? Tingnan ko kung if... So we're finished, guys. This is how Elkie's hair looks like, so shiny. We did hot oil and haircut, and I did a medium layer on her hair because she didn't want to have short layers, so yeah, just a little trimming here. Oh, you can see. So yay! Key! Ito yung next customer. Oy, customer! So this is her hair. You cannot see it. No! Finally, I finished, guys. I did 3% today. Yes. And I'm going to eat lunch now. This is my lunch, my leftover lechon. It's almost 4. Yeah, I know, life of a hairdresser, you know. So, kain muna tayo, guys. Lechon, tsaka coffee. My next client. Hoy, bawal eh. Sutyang yan. So, unsa man ni ma'am? What are we gonna do with your hair? Haircut and color? Oh my God. Kiray! Blonde!
Ato, ayan ang brown, di ko gusto itong.
My 4th client demanding.
Ayan ang brown, kay ma-black.
Okay, fine. So finally, I will be mixing my color, and I'm mixing dark blonde. I'm going to do dark blonde and what's that? Blue, so that it will not turn out bronzy on her hair. So she has, mama ko has gray hairs, a lot of gray hairs, and I need to cover it. So I'm mixing the dye with a 20 volume developer because I wanted a 10 volume developer, but since I don't have one, so yung 20 volume na lang, and it's fine for gray hairs naman, and most of her hairs were, because I've were already virgin because I've already cut her hair. So yeah, I'll be mixing. So here's my mixture, guys. 1:1 ratio of the developer and the color. So here's my dye and developer. So I'm just gonna mix this. Ang hirap mag-mix pag isang kamay lang. So look at my arms. I'm getting hairy na. So I'm just gonna dust this after I mix this color. So I'll just continue dusting and I'll be right back. So eto na yung panghuli kong client of the day. Mag-hair color kami. Her hair was previously bleached, but gusto niya to be back from its natural like black color. So it's almost 7 na, so we'll start na, guys. This is our finished product. 9 o'clock na, 9:30. Next color and haircut. Lagi kayo makita. Sige lang, Ari daw ta during a side. O gihapon. Yay! So, I think I'm gonna end my vlog. My weekly vlog here, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this weekly vlog. Yeah, it's been a while since I did a vlog, and this time I decided that I'm gonna do a weekly vlog instead of a daily vlog or every other day vlog. I don't know. I used to do like vlogs whenever I feel like doing vlogs, but this time I guess it's better that to do it a weekly vlog, you know, because every day there's not a lot of really very interesting things to do. It's just me working. So yeah, I already finished some work today. I did 5% haircut and color, and I started working like from 11:30 up to like now it's already 10:30. Yeah, and that is non-stop. I don't know, I think it's 11 hours non-stop, you know, doing hair because but no complaints, because I really love doing hair. I love making everybody beautiful, and I love also doing makeup. So yeah, that's it for this week's vlog, and I hope you've enjoyed this one. And always remember, guys, to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. And I'll see you in my next vlog. Love you.